I want a new play button! Welcome to Warp Legacy. So, we got this thing at 100 subscribers. In the video where I put this up, I said I was probably going to wait till 500, but I changed my mind because I want to make a new play button now. So, 250 subscriber play button, here we come. Alright. Woo! First thing we gotta do, gotta save it this time. Now, the last couple of videos I destroyed this somehow, but my printer's not working, so I can't print a new background. So, we gotta work with what we got. There we go. So, I promised you the next play button would not be paper. Depending on how you interpret this, I may have lied. Is cardboard paper? Because that's what the play button's gonna be made out of. So I'm gonna take this here and just make this edge a little straighter. We'll go a little bit bigger. More subscribers, we need a bigger play button. Alright, let's see if I can put this thing together. I'm hoping the pressure of this back plate will just hold the play button in place. Alright! There we go! Alright, now hopefully by the time we have 500 subs, I'll have some ink in the printer so I can actually make a new background. I kind of like the cardboard one though. What do you think? Did I jump the gun? Should I have waited to 500? Do you like the 250? Do you like the cardboard? Should I have done something else? Did I lie to you because technically cardboard is still made out of paper? What should I do with the play button cutout? I'm probably just going to throw it away. Unless you have some awesome idea for me to do with it. But I'm probably just going to throw it away. Thank you for visiting Warp Legacy. If you like this video, hit that like button and let me know in the comments. And if you haven't done it yet, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to get notifications every time I upload a video. And if you like what we're doing here at Warp Legacy, head on over to our Patreon page and show us some support there. I almost said Facebook. You can head there too. We do have a Facebook page. That'll help too. Anyway, that's all I got today. Till next time, I'm Twan. Go define your legacy. I like it. What's the next one gonna be? Answer in the comments below.